Hi, I'm River Woolston. I'm your counselor here in Canyons Online. Today we are going to do a tutorial on how to draw a cute little baby dragon or dinosaur. So the first step is going to be, I am using my tablet and a whiteboard, and you can also use, there's lots of drawing apps on your computer, or you can use a good old-fashioned pencil and paper, pen and paper. You can use chalk, anything that you really want to. That's the cool thing about drawing, is you can do it so many different ways. So let's go ahead. I am going to start our dinosaur here by drawing a line. Okay, anybody can draw a line. That is going to be the ground. Okay, then I'm going to draw a line up like this. This is just creating our dinosaur. So this is going to be like his body. And I'm going to make a little arm here. Okay, just like that. A little bit of a... And then this is going to be a tail. Okay, just like that. Now, I'm going to put a line like this and a line like this. That's going to be a leg. And I'm going to go over here and give him another leg. Okay, so that, and then he's missing an arm, so I'm going to give him one more arm over here. He's kind of reaching his arms out, either for like a hug or like he's saying roar. Okay, now let's give him a mouth. So about here, we're going to do a line like this. So you go ahead and do a line like that. And I'm going to put a line down here like this, okay? And then we're going to put a line right here, and then right here. That is his mouth. Now let's go ahead and put in some teeth. Some big teeth so he can chomp his vegetables. Okay. There you go. And I'm going to kind of put in pointy teeth right like that. Pointy teeth right like that. And then I'm going to give him a tongue. Okay, so can you think of anything that's missing? That's right, we're missing some eyes. So let's go ahead and give him some eyes. I'm gonna give him an eye like that. Make this one a little bit bigger, kind of add some expression. Then I'm gonna give some little reflections, little reflections in the eyes. So we're not gonna color that stuff in. And give him a little eyebrow here. Okay, and then I'm going to add kind of a finishing touch for the drawing part. I'm going to put some spikes in here. Happy little spikes, just like that. So next, I am going to go ahead and color in our dinosaur. I'm going to start on his tongue. Give him a pink tongue. That's really as bright as my color goes on this app that I'm using. Just like that. Color in the rest of his mouth there. Just like this. Okay, let's go ahead and I'm going to give my dinosaur some eyes, or color in the eyes. So I'm going to color the eyes, this kind of a gray color. And you, of course, you can color your dinosaur any way that you want to. You want to make a purple dinosaur, or teal, or aquamarine, or any color you like. What I love about drawing is you can make it your own. So I'm gonna color in the spikes, this yellow. Perfect, just like that. And then I am going to add one more detail that I didn't add before. I'm going to add kind of a tummy here. And then I'm going to color that tummy. Just like that, see? And I'm going to color in my dinosaur. Making this dinosaur green. You can do yours any color you like too, because it's yours. You can also change the shape of the tail. You can change the shape of the arms. You can give your dinosaur wings and turn it into a dragon. You can put little stick figures around or like a background. You could do like a text bubble, like a speech bubble, so he's talking, saying something. You could even give your dinosaur, your dragon, some clothes if you want to. Just whatever you like. The more you practice drawing, the more confident you get. The more confident you get, the easier it is to get what's in your head out onto the paper or the tablet or whatever you're using. I'm just gonna finish up coloring our nice green dinosaur here. And there you go. Finish the arm. Perfect. Love it. Well, there you go. Make sure to follow the Canyons on Land Student Center page here for other tutorials. And if you have some suggestions of what you'd like me to do a tutorial on, send me a message through the Canvas inbox. My name is River Wolfston, and I am your counselor. We'll see you next time. Bye.